Did you know that one wrong move in your DIY car repair could cost you thousands or even put your life at risk? Stick around till the end, because the last mistake is one that even seasoned mechanics sometimes overlook. Common mistakes DIY mechanics make and how to avoid them. First up, rushing into repairs without a proper diagnosis. It's tempting to jump straight into replacing parts, but this approach can lead to misdiagnosis and unnecessary expenses. Tip: always perform a thorough diagnostic before starting any repair. Utilize advanced diagnostic tools and consult with professionals if the issue is complex. Remember, a methodical approach saves both time and money. Neglecting safety protocols is another critical mistake. Working without gloves, goggles, or proper ventilation can lead to serious injuries. Tip: always wear appropriate safety gear and work in a well-ventilated area. Safety should never be compromised. Protect yourself to ensure a successful repair. An organized workspace is essential. A cluttered environment can lead to misplaced tools, lost parts, and increased repair time. Tip: keep your workspace clean and tools organized. Implement a system to store tools and parts systematically, reducing the risk of errors. Using the wrong tools can damage components and lead to costly repairs. Tip: always use the correct tools specified for the task. Invest in quality tools and familiarize yourself with their proper usage to ensure effective repairs. Failing to keep records of repairs can lead to confusion and repeated mistakes. Tip: document every repair and maintenance task. Maintain detailed records to track the history of your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. Thanks for watching. Share your DIY repair experiences in the comments below.